the train.
Yeah, the time I try to stop the train. But the train they stop to take up people for the passengers. So that's what come she catch back the train.
And while she run down the train, she bleed. And 6 stitches she get now in her whole thing.
You know, walk me through that day when you got the call to say, hey, something happened to my daughter.
Me did the year just at the start cook. And me hear my phone ring at after 3, about 3:30. And it was like a peer pitney me here, but with the pitney them a scream and I says, Juli-Ann drop off her train and our head bus. So by me hear that, me not hear nothing more from that number. And then the phone cut off and different number call me and me not hear because everybody a call one time, so me not hear exactly what happened until one next number called me and she explained and told me say Juli-Ann drop off her train and head bus, but she's still on the train, so me to come meet her like at the station. So me get ready, him did up the road with his niece and with our boyfriend, and then call him and tell him to and then come and pick me up. So I'm on our way to the station.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind.
Subscribe! Subscribe! Subscribe!
And then call me back and tell me to meet them at Bog Walk station. So I say okay, where I go, then call back and say them are going to reach Bog Walk station before me, so me to meet them at Linstead station. So I say alright. Little after then call back again and tell me say them are going to hospital where I just meet them up at the hospital. So I say alright, that sounds better. When we go, we see only a 14-year-old schoolgirl in her uniform and she alone up there at the hospital with her. And
so there were no police officers, nobody official?
No. And when we go, they say only one of we could have go in. So if we go in and me stand up outside and talk to the girl and she tell me say she never see exactly what happened. She only see Julie drop off of the train and Julia run down the train. When the train stop, then take up at Julie in the train and she realized her head bleed. So she said, take out Julie, we're going to try and stop the bleeding, but it didn't stop. And Julie kind of go in and out, so then couldn't get no number from Julie to contact nobody. Until she used Julie's fingerprint, pull Julie's phone to get to me. And I said she get to me and the number to talk to her.
So who took Julie to the hospital? Was it the 14-year-old friend?
Yes, and a teacher. Teacher of Jose Martin.
Was on the
train. And she said she had bleed too much, so he take her off a Bog Walk station and carry her to the hospital. So he can't allow her to stay on the train and abuse that heavy. Because by the reach down there's the big train, might be something more serious that happened to her.
And what was Julie's condition when you got to her at the hospital?
She had cried and she could have barely talked to me. And just move her head like she feel dizzy or something. She just barely talked to me, but she had cried.
Was she conscious or was she in and out of consciousness?
Yeah, kind of in and out. And
she don't remember how she dropped out of the train.
Yeah, she in and out.
She don't remember how she dropped.
And for how long was she admitted to the